Hello everyone. Today we will perform little bit advanced and intermediate workout. First we will do fitness exercises. After that we will do yoga asanas. In yoga asana we will do Surya Namaskar. First exercises on the spot jogging. Start doing on the spot jogging. Now change the exercise. Jump on your mats. Now change the exercise. Twist your waist towards left and right side. Now change the exercise. Waist rotation. Put your both hands on your waist and rotate it towards left side. Now rotate your waist towards the right side. Now change the exercise. Hands rotation. Rotate your both hands towards the forward side. Now rotate your both hands towards the back side. Change the exercise. Elbow rotation. Put your both hands on your shoulder and rotate your elbows towards the forward side. Now rotate your elbows towards the back side. Now change the exercise. Spread your legs, alternate toe touch. Change. Now we will do Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is not an asana but a series of gentle flowing of 12 sequence of Surya Namaskar. 11 sequence of Surya Namaskar. We have to do 6 to 12 times in a day Surya Namaskar. First, stand straight. Exhale your breath, palms together at the chest in the prayer position. Now, second step is inhale and stretch the arms up over the head alongside the ears, arc back from the waist, pushing your hips forwards and stretching the head back. Third, exhaling, bring the hands down to the floor on each side of the feet so that the tips of the fingers at toes from a straight line. Tuck your hand in towards the knees as far as possible. Fourth one, inhale as you stretch the right leg back as far as possible and drop the right knee to the ground. Next, on the next sequence, you will stretch the left leg back. Holding the breath, bring the other leg back and strengthen the body into the push-up position. Exhale and bend the knees. Place the knees, chest and forward on the ground. Seventh step, inhale, slide and hips forward and arc the head and the chest into the cobra pose. Eighth position, exhale and without moving your hands or feet, bring the hips up as high as possible into the inverted position. Ninth position is inhale and bring the right foot forward between the hands, drop the back knee to the ground and look up. Bring the left leg forward in the next sequence. 10th position is exhale and bring the other foot forward, straight the knees and bring the forehead down and inwards the legs. The last position, inhale as you stretch up and arc back with your head back and your arms with alongside the ears. Today's session is over. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.